guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I fix my over bleach knots. Sometimes it's better to over bleach your knots so you get the most realistic looking scalp. So today I'm going to be using my Jadore Jet Black, I believe it's called, but any color will work. Off black, black is black, black velvet. And I'm going to be using a bowl and a comb. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the Jadore Jet Black into the bowl, and you're going to use your rat tail comb to slowly push the jet black into the bleach parts of the hair. I know it sounds tedious, but trust me when I say it will make the install look so much more natural. And of course you have to dye the rest of the hair jet black. So if you're not into this color, you can use darkest brown or natural brown as well. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a paper towel over the lace so the lace doesn't get jet black or dye jet black. But another pro tip is to use your got2b spray and to spray the lace so you don't stain the lace while you're dyeing it. Please do this before you do anything else. This will save your lace. So the rest of this video is extremely repetitive. It's just me going in small sections and taking that jet black and running it through the over bleach parts of the hair. This process took maybe about 45 minutes. It can take to an hour. You really have to be patient with this, and I'm telling you, you'll get the best results. And I'm going to show you how the install came out. Okay, so before I show you guys the install, I just want y'all to see a side by side of how it's looking so far, and it looks so freaking good. It looks so natural. You can see for yourself. So if you are worried about over bleaching your knots, or if you did, you can follow this method and I promise you your install will come out bomb. So this is the end results for the install. It looks really good. If you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.